guys, what it do? Jeez. I hope they don't hit me. Alright, here we go. Alright, so I'll give you a little rundown what I'm doing. So, I have been looking for bullets. I own a Smith & Wesson Shield 9mm. I've got a 9mm Ruger, and everybody is price gouging on bullets. So, my attempt today is to go buy some 9mm bullets. I think I'm only allowed 3 boxes, so maybe I will go in, buy bullets, 3 boxes, run out, drop them in the car. I'll just grab quite a few boxes, I guess, and then maybe 6 boxes, and I'll hide 3. Go purchase 3, come back in, grab the other 3, and purchase them. Because we try to go to the shooting range every weekend, so I've got to get some bullets. Definitely bullets. I'm so tired. So I'm gonna try this vlogging stuff so you guys can see my day. School started today, so my 17-year-old and 15-year-old, they chose to go back to school traditional, which means they're just going to school. I told them they had to wear masks because my 11-year-old son has a heart murmur and stuff like that, so I would rather not chance and put his life in a position where he could catch COVID-19. So with that, I chose to keep my son in remote schooling, which means it's just like regular school. The only difference is he's at home, but he's on a live video with his school teacher, and he'll literally be on this live feed until 2 o'clock. So he's in there. Felt like an ant was. Felt like someone was biting my foot. But yeah. So pretty much, we're gonna go see how crazy Academy is. But everybody, you know, I live on the Gulf Coast, on the Florida-Alabama line, and yeah, long story short, you know, there's Marco, Tropical Storm Marco, that is in the Gulf right now, and I don't know. The way they're saying he's moving, I definitely don't see him moving that way. I don't think he's going to go towards Louisiana, Texas, and stuff like that. I think he's going to move back towards the east, which is back my direction. So we'll see. I mean, we got all the rain going on right now from Marco, and then we should be learning about Hurricane Laura. So yeah, I hate when people drive like driving Miss Daisy. I mean, road rage. Everybody makes videos about road rage, prank, ha ha ha. I definitely have real road rage. Like, we got driving Miss Daisy in front of me, and I was like, come on, homie, I got somewhere to be, and I got to be there by 9 o'clock. So, come on, driving Miss Daisy. And then after I get these bullets, I got to go get air in my tires. Definitely. Come on, come on, come on. What was I gonna tell y'all? I would like for everyone to please like, comment, subscribe. You know what I mean? I need everybody to share my videos, subscribe to me, because I need to, you know, get this thing started. I'm new, and I mean, of course, my first few videos are going to be cray-cray because I'm new and kind of nervous because I want to please everybody. But my biggest thing is I need to know what kind of videos y'all want. Y'all want my everyday life? You want to see how my life is being a mom of 3 boys, 2 teens and 1 a preteen. I could give y'all a little rundown about my 12-year-old, well, he's 11, he'll be 12 in October. All my kids are born in October, but I could give y'all a rundown about everything about my youngest son, from all of his conditions that he's got going on, like medically wise. Let's see, I can show you all my fur babies, my doggies. Let's see what else. I could prank them. I can, you know, I could do pretty much anything. The other day, I wish I had my video camera rolling, or, you know, was vlogging or whatever, because I literally, I seen a man and a woman, right? Man and a woman was riding bicycles, and I don't know what happened to the woman or why this happened, but whoa, homie, you can pay for my car if you want to. Shit. It's POS and you're a business, homie. Hit me. That's what you do. Hit me. Pay me, bitch. Pay me. But, no. I don't know what happened, but she was riding her bike, and next thing you know it, she did a somersault over the freaking handlebars, and I was like, whoa, what happened there? You know what I mean? But she got up, like, nonchalant, like nothing happened, and continued on her way. It was so funny because the guy that she was with was probably like 10-15 feet ahead of her, and then she ended up flipping over the handlebars of the bike, and she just got up like nothing happened and walked away. Yeah, it was pretty funny. Ooh, my car is swaying. I need new sway bars on my car, and being that my son is doing online classes, I cannot, you know, get a job, so, because he's not in public school. Well, he's in public schools, but he's not, you know, in traditional, so I really do not have the funding to fix my good old car. Ooh, good old car. It scares me, but little backstory, I smoked cigarettes for 15 years, and one morning I woke up and I was just like, I don't want to smoke cigarettes, so I started vaping. So I just covered one habit up with another. Climate CC Control Pensacola. Climate Control Pensacola. But yeah, so we're headed to Academy. And we're gonna see about these bullets. I'm literally about to pull up Academy. I'm on the interstate right now. It is, you know, it was a big raindrop. I just really gotta grab some bullets. Yeah, because we go to the shooting range like every Sunday morning or whatever. And we didn't go yesterday because we didn't have any bullets. So, let me get over on this side because I need to turn left. Alright, come on. Oh my God, traffic is horrible. Turn. Don't give me no problems, girl. Don't give me no problems, Betsy. I definitely need a new car. My husband and I, we've never owned a brand new car. We always buy them used. But my goal is within the next year or two, hopefully, you know, I can get enough money where I could buy him a brand new truck off the lot, 0 miles, and also get me a brand new vehicle, 0 miles. That's my goal. So maybe, you know, and then I have another goal. I'm a mom. I have 3 kids. After my 3rd kid, Doc told me that if I wanted to have another baby, I had to do it immediately. If not, then it was a wrap. I had to have a hysterectomy because of, you know, my medical problems, and I went in for my 2-week pre-op after having my C-section, and they told me, hey, if you want to have a baby, do it now. If not, then, you know, that's a wrap. And I was like, you just cut me from hip. I'm not going to have another baby right now. Holy shit. Damn, these people are cray-cray here. There's literally lines of people. I bet they're getting bullets. I have my whole thing. Okay, here we go, guys. We're just gonna go up there. Get these damn bullets. Ouch, I just poked myself in the eye. Safety first, guys. So getting this long line, so I get bullets. But everybody's scared of bullets. Hold on, guys. I'll get all right. I mean, everybody's probably thinking the same thing I am. Let's get bullets. So that's what we're doing. Yeah, I believe everybody's here for the same thing. For bullets. I bet everybody's here for the same thing.
My family up in North Carolina, east part of North Carolina, what's called Fish Stick. Laid out there, south down with vinegar, and he's cooked all night, and then you pick it and eat off of there.
Time he gets done, if you remember picking that piece, you tore up. Usually about 25 people standing around watching a hog get cooked.
There's 18 people waiting online, and I bet every one of them are here for bullets. I hope they have enough for everybody. But yeah, here we go. Yeah, I bet everybody's here for the same thing, aren't they? Trying to catch that ammo. Trying to catch that ammo before it goes. I didn't think people would be actually standing here in line.
Yeah, last time I came here, that line was still going on.
But everybody's coming. What? Everybody's coming for ammo?
No, I'm not. I'm coming.
Yeah.
He's getting fish on.
Oh.
He's also the guy on the boat.
Yeah, my boat went.
Really?
No.
Oh, I was about to say, holy shit, that sucks.
No, I'm getting it.
I was about to say, that sucks big time. I'm sorry.
No, I gotta get me a new easier. You know what I'm talking about? Just that canopy thing.
Yeah.
Get me another one in. I want to I had about 10 years. I trashed it this time.
When you get this new one, set it up out there in time for a hurricane to blow by.
Yeah, I was thinking about taking it out there to the beach.
And then it might float back to your yard, right?
Yeah.
I just need a couple boxes of 9 mil, guys. Let me just get a couple bucks. Need a couple.
I haven't seen 9mm down here in a week.
Well, he told me, I called up here, I said, he told me Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. He said, but be here before 9, he said, because they go quick. So I need, but see, Gulf Coast is taxes on the 9 mils, or on all bullets, the ammos. They charged me for 9mm 50 rounds, $25. And I was like, price gouging. Gulf Coast, it's in Pace.
Easier.
It's called Gulf Coast something, but yeah, they have their tax and shit. But they let you get 10 boxes though. Of course they'll let you get 10 boxes. They make money.
Yeah, but it's too big.
I think it's only 3 boxes.
Yeah, the lemon is $3.
So maybe if we grab 6, buy 3, walk back out, drop them off, hide the other 3, come back in and buy them, you have 6 boxes, right?
If they got anything, you'll be going.
If I hide 3 of them, nobody's going to know where they're at. All right, we should be getting started. Thank you, sir. Here we go. Go in and grab the. I went online to check it, but they didn't have any online. Let's go. See, these people are running for these bullets. Here we go. Come, what kind do you need? What kind do you need? These people run just to get damn bullets. This is like Black Friday. It's like Black Friday for this piece. I got 3 guns to do. Hey. 12 gauge, nope. Hey. 9mm. Oh, guys. Right here. Ooh, let me grab a few of those. Thank you, baby. I got 3. Ooh, beat me up, man. I'm just kidding. He tried to beat me up.
Oh, damn.
Oh, I know what I need. I need some 22s. I didn't think these were going to go this fast. This is crazy. I don't know.
I'll go stick it under that.
Oh, yeah, good call.
You can't get nothing but
$11.99.
you can only get what you
Is it 3 altogether, or is it 3 of each?
No. Total of 5, 3 of any one.
3 boxes of one kind and 2 of...
Okay, so then I need 22s. Oops, sorry guys, I'm slide by. Boop, 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 boop. I just need 7, 45, 45, 40, 50, 50. This is crazy. Why does he send me up here to do this? Oops, sorry. I just need some 22s.
Three of any one kind. And then 2 of another.
Sorry, guys.
They can't all be 5 at the same time.
I got you. I didn't know that.
No, I'm just talking about. There's a 38. Oh no, that's 38. Never mind. I was like thinking. What is it? I just need. What did I say? I'm not buying it.
How do you scan?
Oh, what is that? 40s.
Hold the camera about right here.
I need 9 mils.
I learned that a long time ago.
Now what I do here? The barcode?
I'm gonna go hide these and then come back out.
$65. How many's in there? 200 and... How much is that?
This is crazy. So, you can only do 5 boxes total. 3 of the same. So, I couldn't find any 22s. So, I just grabbed, I'll buy them, walk out, drop them, come back in, and get them. Just gotta find me a hiding spot. Find a hiding spot for these bad boys. Gotta hide. I'll go out, take my sweater off, come in with no bra and everything. Hi, how are you? Yeah, that's crazy. Everybody's in here to buy them. 9mm rounds 50.
Only 3 boxes of 9mm.
Those are gone fast back there.
Oh yeah, they always do.
So are we can't go out and come back in?
No, 3 per day.
Okay. Per day. I didn't think they would go as fast as they are. That's crazy. No, ma'am. Thank you. And I got the bullets. And I hid 2 boxes, so I'll come back in a little bit just to see if they're here. Change my clothes, because I said 3 a day. But I hid 2 boxes, so we'll see what happens. Sound good? Got my bullets though. But yeah, that's crazy. Like, those 9mm went by so fast. I couldn't find the 22 for my little rifle or whatever. So it is what it is. At least I got my 9mm because I have 3 9mm guns, which I got me mine. Hold on. Mine is a Smith & Wesson Shield. should have brought an extra outfit and then came in the car and changed and then went back in. But no, my goal is hopefully, you know, because I can't have any more kids, and I had, out of 3 pregnancies, I had to have 2 C-sections. So with that, I'm hoping in the next couple of years I can, you know, maybe go big on here or something. And you know, my biggest thing is we struggle, you know what I mean? We're only human. We struggle day in and day out. But my biggest thing is I have a son that's a senior in high school, right? And I would like to have money that I can save so he could go to college and not worry about student loans and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So hopefully, you guys will look out for me and, you know, subscribe, share my page, you know what I mean? And I'll give you any kind of content y'all want. You hear me? Any content you want, I'll give it to you. Mountain Dew boy. That wasn't bad. $11.99 a box. Whenever I went to the other guns place, they literally charged me $25 for a box of 50. Who? Not me. But when I get home, I'm gonna Google how to edit my videos so I can, you know, be all professional like everybody else, because like I said, I'm new at this, and if everything push comes to shove, I want to find a good editor that would do it for me so I don't look crazy, you know what I mean? Look at my hair. Oh, one fun fact about me, y'all ready? I've never learned how to put on makeup. All of my stuff is, you know, all natural, and my 11-year-old just texted me and asked me to get him some coffee. Isn't that crazy? But the fun fact, you know, I don't know how to put on makeup. I've never physically put makeup on myself. And the day that I got married, Coca-ColaUnited.com/careers. That's to be working at Coca-Cola. But yeah, so the day that I got married, I had to pay somebody to do my makeup because I don't know how to do it. Pretty crazy, huh? Yes, sir, yes, sir. I have officially, on June 20th, marked 13 years. 13 years of being with my husband. And September would be 13 years of being married. Pretty cool, huh? But anyways, yeah. So now I'm headed back home, and my 11-year-old said, "Hey, Mom, can you please get me a coffee?" He's so silly. But alright, so this is my little video. I'm going to figure out how to edit it so it doesn't look crazy and there's no gaps, and, you know, y'all don't have to hear me, you know, 30 minutes of just rambling. My goal is, hopefully, like I said, in the next couple years, well, hopefully I could start a college fund for my kids, especially my oldest. You know, he's getting ready, he's a senior now, and he goes to college next year. 2021, he graduates. So my goal is to get a college fund going, and also get one started and start saving for my other 2 children. And then I'm 36 years old. You hear me? 36. And I want to have my own home. I want to buy my own home. I want to say that I own something. Plus, I want to get a brand new car, and I want a mommy makeover. I know it's crazy, you know. Like I said, 2 of the 3 pregnancies that I had 2 C-sections. So, you can only imagine. But I definitely want, you know, I need to go past this, driving this Daisy gas truck. My car is running so rough. Do you hear this? I need a new car for real, for real. Woo! Let me get over again. I'm almost home. But yeah, so needless to say, I want a mommy makeover. I want the tummy tuck. I mean, even if I'll get a boob lift. I don't need no breast implants because God's blessed me. So, yeah, I just want, you know, a tummy tuck most definitely. And then, maybe liposuction. I guess it's a BBL they would call it, where they do a liposuction or whatever, and then they take your own body fat and stick it in your rear end. Yeah, I hate having no booty because I got that problem. You wanna know what that problem is? Booty do. Because my belly sticks out more than my booty do. You hear me? Alright, I'll quit making fun of myself. But look, I'm almost home, so I'm gonna post this, share this. Everybody, please subscribe to me. Please, 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 please. Whoa, look at this retard. He's swerving. Should I stop and get my son a coffee? He likes those vanilla frappuccinos. You know what I mean? Y'all comment down below if I should be nice and stop and get him one. I'm thinking about it. Y'all think so? I don't know how planes are flying. I mean, the visibility is not good at all. That's weird. I used to work at the airport, so I know all about that shit right there. Yes, girl. Yes, 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 girl. But, yeah, so I'm headed home. Maybe. I don't know. Alright, guys, let me get off of here. I'll see you on the next video, okay? Y'all, if y'all need me, let's see, I'll put all of my information in the description below. My Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Hell, if you want to get a hold of me on Facebook, you can do that. But yeah, so